Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change Twitter password on your mobile. So if you want to change your Twitter password and don't know how, this video is for you, so make sure to stick till the end. And without further ado, let's start the video. First of all, open Twitter app on your device, and in here make sure that you have logged into your Twitter account. And after that, at the top left corner of your screen you will see your profile icon. Tap on there. Once you tap on there, again at the bottom of this dialog box you will see settings and support. So tap on there, scroll a little bit up, and then again tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on there, again at the top of the screen you will see your account. So tap on your account, and after that again you will see change your password at the second option. So tap on there. Once you tap on there, here provide your current password, and in here provide your new password, and then confirm your password. Once you're done with that, tap on update password, and this is how your password has been updated successfully, and you can change your Twitter password. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like, and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.